I'm Julia. I'm a product manager at Replify. Replify is an AI sales and AI customer service suite for gyms, studios, and health clubs. Our customers include Gold's Gym, UFC Gym, ZoomTan, and many independent wellness and fitness locations. To read our case studies, you can visit replify.ai. Today, I want to show you our new AI growth engine for automated outbound follow-up. You can send quick one-time campaigns using our simple outbound calling engine for announcements or simple sales blasts. But today, we want to focus on the growth engine, also known as an ongoing follow-up campaign. The AI growth engine is a multi-touch AI calling, texting, and email engine. And it's great for missed tours, special promotions, freezes, win-backs, failed payments, reactivations, and much more. It offers consistent follow-up, natural conversations, and warm transfers to staff. After one of your largest sales, you might have collected a lot of leads calling and asking about a promotion. Now would be the perfect time to use the AI growth engine to follow up with them and encourage them to sign up. Let me show you what that would look like. I've created a convert leads campaign specifically to get new leads to sign up for a membership. I've entered that into the campaign goal here, which the AI reads and understands what the campaign is all about. I've created the start date as tomorrow and the time of first outreach at 11 a.m. when most people will be online and able to answer a phone call. I've set the max outreach attempts per contact to 3 because most of the time people respond after 3 contacts, but maybe not after more than that. And then I've set a follow-up cadence to be a custom cadence schedule because mine didn't fit into any of these cadence listed here. The AI understands that the first call will be at 11 a.m., the second day we'll email the lead at 11 a.m., and the third day we'll text the lead at 11 a.m. And then I've set the campaign to run on all of 3 channels that are available for the campaign. In the advanced options for this campaign, I want to make sure that the leads know that it's the best time to sign up now to get ahead of their New Year's goals. And so I've added that here in additional instructions for the AI to understand. So anytime it reaches out to a lead, it'll make sure to mention their New Year's goals and make sure that they can sign up before the new year. Now that the campaign has been set up, I can set any additional configurations that I need, which you can follow along with in our documentation. And then I can press the Simulate Campaign button, which simulates for any contact of my choice what will actually happen when it gets sent to them. You'll see the first one here was that call that happens on the first day at 11 a.m. I can schedule a next outreach and show what that would look like, and this would be the email. That was the second thing that gets sent the next day at 11 a.m. And then finally, you'll see that the text pops up showing what the final outreach would look like, just like that. So you can test it before you even make the campaign live. Once you go ahead and make sure that your campaign's set up, you can manage it on this page. We have multiple ways for you to add contacts to your campaign. We have inbound contacts, which you might want to use to set up a long-term campaign that always reaches out to qualified leads after they call in to your system. We also have these 3 options that are perfect for when you want to automate the contact addition or removal. With the API integration specifically, you can add contacts when someone is created as a lead in your CRM. And you can also delete contacts from the campaign when your CRM records that they signed up for a membership and you don't want to continue marketing to them. Once you're done with your campaign and you've set it live to go to all of your contacts, you can also check on the reporting button here where you'll see some metrics about how your campaign is doing with your customers. For some best practices with your campaigns, we'd recommend that you use around 2 to 4 touches with your customers so that they don't get overwhelmed by the number of reach outs that they're getting. We also recommend that you test it with a few contacts first before making the campaign live for all contacts. This just makes sure that it's behaving exactly the way you want it to. And then finally, we'd recommend you pair outbound and inbound for stronger results. So make sure that when people call back in after receiving one of these outbound calls, that everything in your system is set up correctly. To give a quick recap of what the growth engine does, the AI growth engine is a great way to automate the typical ongoing outreach you do with customers and capture clear results. We're always building new features, so you'll see an even more powerful AI growth engine soon, with the ability to set up campaigns from templates and see stronger reporting. We also love hearing your feedback, so let us know if you have any comments. If you're an existing user, give us a shout with questions. And if you're new to Replify, book a demo at replify.ai to learn more. Thanks for watching.